Hi, my loves. This is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and welcome back to my channel. So today we have such a fun tutorial using Melody Susie goodies. Gotta catch 'em all. We are going to be using the vibrant yellow and red with the background Snow White to create the darling Pikachu. So let's get into all of the magic. First off, this was my very first time getting to use Melody Susie products, and I was so impressed. This Pikachu, this outline, I literally had to do one coat, and this yellow was so vibrant, I did not have to go back in. She was absolutely perfect, and I was also really impressed. There's like a 3D cleaner brush that was in the nail brush set, and I was able to do all of my shading with that. It worked like a dream. Whew, I can't gush enough about these beautiful products. I'll make sure I leave everything in the description box below. But this was such a fun project and absolutely perfect for these colors. The moment I saw the yellow and red and the darling stark white, I knew we had to do a Pokemon set. So we are going to bring Pikachu to life, but to do that, we need some shading. So I've gone in with their 3D brush to not only clean up those lines, but to add all of the shading. Now, painting Pikachu had me feeling so nostalgic. Do you guys remember Pokemon, Yu-Gi-Oh, all of those cartoons? They were absolutely everything. But the creatures are so stinking adorable. So I was wondering, with Pokemon, who is your favorite character? I really loved Togepi and Ditto. Also, all of the water Pokemon just made my heart so very happy. But most of all, I loved Jigglypuff. So I'm dying to know which one's yours, and if you'd like to see any more Pokemon featured on the channel, because after painting Pikachu, I just wanted to paint them all. Oh my goodness, the obsession is real. Just like their tagline, gotta catch them all, I want to try all of these Melody Susie polishes. They are just so luscious and so amazing to work with. The rest of this will be a watch me work, but I will pop in towards the end. I am just so excited about this project, and working with Melody Susie is an absolute dream. I love these tools, but it's the vibrancy of these polishes that have stolen my heart. Let's get into the rest of this character art, and grab yourself some snacks, paint along with me, and if you do paint Pikachu, please tag me because I would love to see your creations. thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I had so much fun painting this little guy, and I'd love to know which character you'd like to see next. Sending you so much love and light. See you in the next one. Mwah.